Mhm.
All right. Minutes report of the city of Cuero now in session. The Honorable Gary K. Schroeder presiding.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Have a seat. Welcome to the court. We have continuing way of doing court now. We have you folks here live. I also have people on Zoom. It looks like that's going to probably be the way we're going to continue doing things. So anyway, let me make just some statements and then we'll go ahead and take care of your matter. We got individual chair. I couldn't see you. You know, if you were intentionally hiding back here, big chairs are in the way. Anyway, what I'll do here, folks, is I'll call each of your names, and when I do, come on up, and I'll either going to read or explain the charge or charge that's been filed against you. Once you tell me that you understand it, then we'll go to the next part, which is the enter a plea of guilty, not guilty, or no contest. Just briefly, not guilty plea means you're exercising your constitutional rights to require that the matter be proven before me or a jury beyond a reasonable doubt to support the charges. We do have a process that we use prior to you having a trial. It's called a pretrial. It's an opportunity for you and the prosecutor to discuss the case. I'm not a party to that. But what will happen is we will give you a date to come back. You can come back live or via Zoom. And if you work out an agreement, that's presented to me. If I think it's reasonable, I approve it, and that takes care of your matter. If you can't reach an agreement, then it's your choice to have your case tried in front of me or tried in front of a jury. If you're going to forego that by entering a plea of no contest or guilty, the difference being no contest says you're not admitting or denying it. Guilty says you're admitting it. Most of the times a no contest plea has some significance if there was some type of injury or property damage in the matter that you have before this court. Now, once we get a plea taken, I consider this a people's court. What I mean by that is, if you have something to say about your matter prior to me assessing a fine, I'm here to listen to it. I'm going to listen to it. So please keep that in mind. Also, don't hesitate to ask questions. I go through this stuff, and you're here, most of you here for the first time. So don't hesitate if you got a question before you proceed on it. All right, we have Zoom first. Xavier Durham.
Here.
Good morning. How are you doing?
Good.
Good. How's your mama doing?
She's fine.
All right. She didn't have any bad symptoms yet?
Yeah, she has, but she's recovering pretty fine.
Good, good, good. Well, I hope the best for her. What I have here is a document that got filed on August the 8th alleging you were operating a vehicle without a driver's license. Do you understand that charge?
Yes, sir.
All right, to that charge, you can plead guilty, not guilty, or no contest. How you want to plead?
I'm not sure, but I have the police officer, when he had gave me this, I was actually finished on I have my driver's license certificate, and he told me to go up there to the DPS office and that they would wipe the charge if I had hurry up and finish with my courses. And I have finished my courses already, but I haven't been able to go back up to the DPS office because my mom is the resident who I live with, and she's sick and she can't be there.
All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold a plea in abeyance. I'm not going to accept one. I'm going to reset your matter. I'm going to reset it for 2 weeks from today. And at that time, and let's do it the same way on Zoom since your mother is ill. I know you're a minor technically. She doesn't need to be part of it, but I appreciate her efforts to want to help out in this matter. So we'll reset it to September 1st. Thank you. To September the 1st, 2 weeks from today. And in the meantime, I'm doing that so you can get up to DPS, get your documentation. And if it supports what you're telling me, then we can address the issue of the no driver's license at that time.
Yes,
all right.
Sir.
All
yes,
right. Sir. Take care.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Is that the only one on Zoom?
Yes.